Good morning to one and all. Myself, Vijay. Our project members are U. Nijandan, A. Sarath Kumar, S. Vivian Richard. Our project title is Characterization of Natural Fiber Reinforced Polymer Composite Materials under the guidance of Mr. B. Murali. Abstract. Composite materials with thermoplastic matrices and a reinforcement of natural fibers are increasingly regarded as an alternative to material replacement for various applications. The substitution of the traditionally used composite of natural fibers such as flax, jute can lead to reductions of the component weight and furthermore to a significant improvement of properties like impact strength, flexural strength, tensile strength. One of the major field of application such material can be found in structural components manufacturing of construction element. In this project, work natural fiber particles, reinforced material such as flax, jute, reinforced polymer composite material with epoxy resin has been used for fabrication of construction element. Impact strength, tensile strength and flexural strength values are identified. The fabricated hybrid construction helmet has better impact, tensile and flexural strength when compared to existing construction helmet. Also, the cost and weight are reduced by compared to existing helmet. Problem identification. Several of chemicals used to produce a plastics are hazardous for human health and the environment. In their degradation products may be released during the life cycle of the plastic product. The plastic polymers are not considered as a toxic, but in plastics products there may be a non-bounded residual monomers, polymerization chemicals regarded as products, and additives which have toxic products. Many additives are hazardous for human health and the environment. Overview of composite materials. Composites are combination of two or more than two materials in which one of the material is reinforcing phase and the other matrix phase. Composite materials are usually classified by types of reinforcement such as polymer composites, cements and metal matrix composites. Polymer matrix composites are most commonly produced composite in which resin is used as matrix with different reinforcement material. The different types of fiber in natural and man-made fibers for different applications. Classifications of natural fibers. Natural fiber are classified into three categories. These are plant fibers, animal fibers and mineral fibers. Plant fibers are important types of natural fiber and these are generally comprised mainly of cellulose, semicellulose, lignin, pectin. Prominent natural fibers are cotton, jute, flax, ramie, flax and hemp. Cellulose fibers are mainly used in manufacturing of paper and selection and properties of raw materials. This chapter describes the details of selection and the properties of raw material. The raw material used in this work are listed below. Flax fiber, jute fibers, thermoset epoxy resin. Properties of flax fiber. The diameter of the flax 100 to 300 micrometer and the density is 1.450 kilogram per meter cube and elongation percentage of break 4 to 9. Tensile strength is 365 megapascals and Young's modulus is 12250 megapascals. Jute fibers diameter is up to 100 to 300 micrometer and density is 1.650 grams per cc. Elongation percentage of break 6 to 10. Tensile strength is 385 megapascal and Young's modulus is 13150 megapascal. Compared to these flax fibers, the jute having less Young's modulus values. And the properties of epoxy resins. Density is 1.2 to 1.3 grams per centimeter cube and tensile strength is 55 to 130 megapascal and the tensile modulus is 2.75 to 4.10 gigapascal. Compared to all other epoxy resin, it is a very good tensile modulus. Poisson ratio is 0.2 to 0.33. Shrinkage percentage is 1 to 5. This is our matted jute fiber, and this is our continuous flax fibers. Methodology: chemical treatment. 80% of sodium hydroxide mixed with the distilled water at 20%. After the chemical treatment is done to remove the moisture content from the natural fiber, increasing the strength and stiffness. Mechanical property testings: flexural test, impact test, tensile test. Fabricated industrial element. This is our fabricated element. Result and discussion. Tensile test result for the composite fiber. Flax plus jute hybrid with moisture 19.32 and without moisture 19.21. Flexural rigidity of composite fiber with moisture 30.61 Newton per mm squared and without moisture 30.55 Newton per mm squared. Impact strength result for composite materials. With moisture 15.25 Newton per mm squared, without moisture 15.27 Newton per mm squared. Comparisons of ABS plastics and hybrid composite elements. Weight of the ABS plastic is 370 grams and a hybrid composite helmet is 252 grams. Tensile strength of the ABS plastic is 20 Newton per mm squared and hybrid helmet is 19.32 Newton per mm squared. This is also near to that ABS plastic. And the impact strength of the ABS plastic is 50 Newton per mm squared and hybrid composite helmet is 15.25 Newton per mm squared. Flexural strength of the ABS plastic helmet is 30 Newton per mm squared, but our composite helmet is 30.61 Newton per mm squared. Cost of the ABS plastic is 450, but our composite helmet is 200. It is reduction rate to 250. Merits of composites. Tensile strength of composites is 4 to 6 times greater than the steel or aluminium, depending on the reinforcements. Improved torsional stiffness and impact properties. High fatigue endurance limit 30% to 40% lighter. For example, any particular aluminium structures designed to do the same function requirements. Lower embedded energy compared to other structural metallic materials like steel, aluminiums. Composites are less noisy while in operation and provide a lower vibration transmission than metals. Conclusion: After determining the material properties of natural fiber reinforced composite using flexural test and tensile test, and hybrid composites show comparatively better performance. It has shown that the natural reinforced composite materials of flax, jute, hybrid material has a sustainable strength for the application of construction elements. Then, from the experimental method, the two fibers such as jute, flax make a hybrid composite which possesses better strength and reduces the half of the original weight. Hence, it is better to replace the acrylonitrile butadiene styrene plastic is construction element as a hybrid composite material. Thank you.